Okay, welcome to Python Unit 3, Part 3. Again, this should be a short video. We're basically on Lesson 3.6, and it's a few more turtle methods and tricks. So there's only a couple items in this section here to go over, so let's get started. Okay, the very first thing we're going to talk about is how the turtle pen can be picked up or put down, and that's what draws the line on the screen. Okay, so there might be a time where you don't want to draw a line on the screen, but you want the turtle to move. Okay, so what I did here is I already have a pre-programmed here. We go ahead and input turtle, and we go ahead and create the screen for it. We made it light green. This is from the last chapter, and we have to create the turtle Alex. Okay, now here's a new feature in this section. It's called speed. Now I reduced the speed to 1, so you should be able to see it. If not, it goes very fast and it's hard to actually see it, especially when I'm recording. Okay, so I reduced the speed down to 1. Notice Alex is pen up here, so that means it's off the screen, so it's not drawing a line. We move Alex 100 forward, and then we move him left 90 degrees, forward 100. Okay, and again, you should see Alex move, but there is no line being drawn. And then we go ahead and put the pen down. Okay, and that finishes this. So let's see if Alex moves. Okay, and if you see that he moved. Okay, I'm going to run it again. And again, you can see him move without drawing any lines. That is pen up. Okay, if you want lines, put pen down. Okay. So that's pen up and pen down. Pen up means you're not drawing. You're moving the turtle, but you're not drawing. Pen down means you are drawing. Okay. Again, we talked about speed, and let's go ahead and play with speed. Let's see if you can actually see it this time. It's 10, so you have to watch the green screen pop up and watch Alex move, and it's moving 10. Okay, and see he's already moved there. It was fast. 100, you might not even be able to see it. Let's see. Yeah, so that's how fast it was. He started out over here and just went up. Okay. So, again, if I take it down to 1, you can see it move. Okay. So the speed adjusts the speed of the turtle. Turtles come in different shapes. Out of the box, it uses an arrow. Okay. We can have a circle, they call classics in the square, triangle, or turtle. Okay, so you can actually make Alex look like a turtle. So I already have the here, and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste right after here. I want Alex to look like a turtle. If you remember, it was just an arrow. Okay, so I go ahead and insert Alex shape as a turtle. And notice it looks like a turtle now. Okay. And again, there are other shapes you can use other than an arrow or a turtle. So go ahead and experiment with it. Try different shapes. I think I list some of the shapes here. Arrow, blank circle. You can have a classic. I don't know what that is. Try it out. Square, triangle, or a turtle. Those are some of the shapes. Okay. Try oval. See if it exists. I doubt it, but you could try it. Okay, so go ahead and play around with this code. This finishes up Unit 3. Look over the vocabulary terms and make sure you do the exercises and programs. If you have any questions, see me after class, and enjoy and have a great day.